Papa, yes, Papa is working. How much I have? Don't use any digits. Let's get this started. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Yes, go. That's it. The title of the book is Red.
Why can't I love you the way that I want to? Maybe it's something, maybe it's nothing. Why can't I hold you?
Don't come on that house. Don't use
Some
any
nights I get cold too. 4 hours
Mom.
falling.
I have to touch this.
Now I feel nothing. 1, 2, 3. I need a second to breathe. 3, 2, 1.
Leave it in.
Don't say you're giving up. Run through the motions.
Jesus Christ.
Spur of the moment. I'm hoping you're hoping. 'Cause I'm still
I'll
on
keep
your
the shot. If you sit on the car, you
I don't
like
care
this.
who was right. 1, 2, 3. I need a second to breathe. 3, 2, 1. Don't say you're giving up. I know that I'll be fine, but I can't tell. But think about the time when I made it to your first show. Took hours to get there under the weather, but I would do it all again. How do I go from here? Oh, it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it was over. All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? Without you in my life. And I thought that I was fine, but I can't tell. Wonder what it's like to be the one who gets to share it all. Still, it's not like I even really care, but I do. And what am I supposed to say? it's not making any sense at all. 'Cause in a moment it
Papa
was over.
Yes, Papa is working.
All these years for a second of closure. Oh, still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like without you in my life? I thought I had it all, but boy, how could I ever be more wrong? Hey, so go ahead and leave it all. Oh, I just don't want to still be holding on. Cause all it took was just one moment. Cut it off and leave me broken. Still I miss you next October. How will I know what fun feels like?
Babe, find a latch for your
Without you
daughter.
in my life. How will I know what fun feels
See, you already pressed it. Maybe
without you
But
in
I
my
got that thing with you now. So I'm blowing it, I'm blowing it.
less.
Baby,
I've got an internet.
Charlotte is not in the mood. What do you want, baby?
you want to go and
She's not a
At the big water.
celebrity, but she's
The dad is not
taking
swimming.
so
It's only when
can't
Papa is
fall
swimming
in
and inside the big
love.
water. But Mama cannot swim.
Take the
They're not
hint
inside
and
to take
give
her
up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met.
You want to eat it now? I
see
think.
what I mean with this.
But it's not 'cause everybody
Nothing like this.
but 'cause they'll break your heart.
And to be full, you just be like this girl is
So cool,
5 minutes, do it 5 minutes.
5 minutes. It's better than nothing. Because I got time.
and you shot in the darkness, hitting me hard. Tell me what am I supposed to do?
Come and swim.
'Cause falling in and out.
Ah.
She's not
Is that how you want to swim?
she's
Eh?
taking, still can't help falling in love.
Me, yeah?
Can't take
So,
the
carry your leg up. Carry your leg up.
I've got it. Internet crush. Internet crush.
Hold what? Want me to video you swimming? No,
Crush. But if we
you and me, yeah?
do things we different,
Jerego, I'm coming.
I'm not wasting my time.
I'm gonna do 2 of them now, Belinda.
And imagine everything that I never said. Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making
You swimming? Are you swimming? Yes.
me shut in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and
Let's end this time.
I've got it.
Oh my god.
Crush.
Yes, baby.
You're fine.
You are fine. You are fine, baby. You are very, very fine. Yeah, see your hand. Careful. Wait, before you close it.
Your hair looks longer.
This is it light or medium?
June. There's so
small?
much I've been dying to know about you. But
Thank you.
we've been distant.
Hey, this is your own, Mia. This is your own. Wait, wait,
It's to ask you what's new.
wait.
And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging you, please hold on. Maybe the reason freezing, tossing and turning. It's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. So fight, said or did something that hurt you. I'm sorry, you know I never
Maybe it's a
we
format.
haven't lost our way 'cause it feels separated me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad. I know that
Wait, you have yours.
something done and it feels like
No, small.
begging, please hold on.
Oh my God. No, that's
Freezing, tossing and turning. It's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply.
put that one here. Thank you. Eh? Are you an artist? Eh? Ah. Okay. Okay, so we're chilling with the girls. My favorite girl. You guys have seen her a lot in the channel. Yeah, she's a favorite girl. Go and subscribe, bro. Get the monetization.
Feels like it's hopeless. Begging, please hold on. Maybe freezing, tossing and turning. It's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply.
Yeah, put it inside so it does not fall. You fall here. It will fall. Yeah. And that is to eat onions.
I see love here. I see smiles and laughter and cheer. I see hearts that'll trust in each
We
other
swim after I finish it.
for the rest of their years. I see family. You'll help grow up strong, knowing nothing comes close to the light that you hold in your
How
arms.
long will it take?
Through sunshine and rain, it's good all the same. You face it together, you share more than a name. Through sunshine and rain, you'll come out okay. You're never alone on the path that you take. I see love here. I see moments so tender and sweet. I see half of yourself in the other, together complete. Through sunshine and rain, it's good all the same. You'll face it together, share more than a name. Through sunshine and rain, you'll come out okay. You're never alone on the path that you take. I see marriage with your very best friend.
Now wait. Sometimes bring
I see love that you'll hold in each other from now till the end.
the kindest person I have ever met. I also blessed to have blessed and lucky that you are mine. Thank you. To my daddy, to whom made the person I am today. You will always be that I am. And finally, thanks to John Baby, who helped bring me out the best of when I this is amazing. This is beautiful. Okay, let's go. Yes, it's the bunny baby. This is red and the blue bunny. Okay. Alright. Once upon a time, where there were two bunny named Red Bunny and Blue Bunny. Okay? And they were the very best friends. This is red, this is blue. Okay? Wow. They're climbing. Okay. One day, Red Bunny and Blue Bunny were playing pirate versus alien in Blue Bunny's house. Okay, alien, boom, zoom. You will never get me alive. Yeah. Okay, so and okay, that is the mom says, shh. Can you boys please wait? Keep quiet or go outside and play. Blue Bunny is napping. Okay, mommy, says the Blue Bunny. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Bunny is where? The two bunny hopped outside to the field at the edge of the forest and puffed down a soft green grass. They watched the birds flew high over their heads, whistling cheerfully tones. I wonder what the birds see there. What is it, baby? I wonder what the inner of the bird nest looks like. Says the bird. But I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave. The bird is sleeping on the nest. I know. We should build a tree house. You're excited. What? Bunnies don't live in trees. We could be the first one. Then we could see what the bird sees up there and what the inner of the bird nest looks like, and we could have a place to play pirate versus alien without anyone telling us to be quiet, says the two bunnies. What is it? Let's do it. Everyone, only one problem. Tiny bitty. Wow. Smiling. No. We don't know how to build a tree house. Ooh. Let's look around. Someone has to know. Yes. So we should continue tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, you want to sleep?
Yes.
Alright, what will you say? Say good night.
Good night.
Say good night, auntie.
Good night, auntie.
Good night, uncles.
Good night,
uncles. Okay. Alright guys, so madam wants to sleep, so I am done for today. Maybe tomorrow I'll continue the book we have. Maybe that one should be off camera. So the link of this book is gonna be on my description box. Okay, you can check it out, and it's beautiful in color. Okay, I was only able to print it out in black and white, but when you see it in colored, it's so amazing. You can check it out. She has an Amazon page where you can also buy it in Amazon. You can check out all the links is gonna be in my description box to check it out. Okay, thank you all so much for watching this extent. I really appreciate, and I'll see you my besties in my next one. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, positive vibe everywhere. Catch you guys later. Bye. Me, I say bye.
Bye.